Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down two really popular YouTube ad spy tools. Now the first one is PowerAdSpy.com and the other is VidTao.com. So there are benefits to both, right? So the way we're going to do this comparison is I'm going to pull up basically 4 advertisers and I'm going to see how many videos each of these tools finds, and we're going to make a decision based on that. Now something to keep in mind is that PowerAdSpy.com is usually $49 a month just for YouTube, while VidTao is completely free. And another thing to keep in mind is I found that sometimes VidTao works better and sometimes PowerAdSpy works better. So I would actually encourage getting both. But let's do the side-by-side comparison first, and then we'll declare a winner. So guys, the 4 advertisers we're gonna test with are Organifi, OneWheel, Kevin David, and the Sales Mentor. So we got a mix of e-commerce as well as info. So let's check out Organifi, right? So we're gonna go in here, and this is PowerAdSpy. We're gonna check there first. And we're gonna go search by advertiser, put in Organifi. Oh, so it looks like there are multiple Organifi channels. So it looks like there's Organifi channel, Organifi Pure. So that's something that's interesting, is that basically PowerAdSpy actually pulls different advertisers. So I think there was one we found, and then I think FitLifeTV is the other one I've seen. Oh, there we go, FitLifeTV. So here we go. So we had one that we found from Organifi Life channel, and now we have this one from FitLifeTV. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think there's still more. Wait. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's 18 videos. Oh wait, there's still more. 19, 20, 21. Jesus, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 26, 27, 28, 29. Geez, I think, yeah, okay, there's a lot. There's a lot of ads. Now let's check on here and see what we can find. I think we have to check by Organifi. Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, so Organifi also does really well on here. So it's picking up videos from Organifi as well as FitLifeTV. Let's just look at FitLifeTV and see how that does. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20. So this one I think actually wins out because I think we're like 30 to 14 here and it's still scrolling. So the first one for Organifi, FitLifeTV wins out. I mean, for the first one, PowerAdSpy wins out. All right, so the next one we're gonna look at is OneWheel. So I'll put that in here and search. All right, so here's OneWheel. So I'm gonna keep scrolling. All right, I think that's all we got. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 17, 19. So we got 19 here. Let's check out here. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it. So looks like PowerAdSpy wins in this case as well. And Kevin David. So let's check out Kevin David. So there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we got more. All right, so we got a lot here. I don't even know. I think they're pulling up pretty much every Kevin David ad ever, which is pretty cool. But you can see there are a lot of ads that didn't get that many views, but then there are others that did. So this is a very comprehensive tool. Now let's look at VidTao. All right, VidTao as well. Okay, I'll call this one a tie. Both VidTao and PowerAdSpy picked up plenty of the videos from Kevin David, The one difference is it seems like VidTao's better at picking up videos that have more views, while PowerAdSpy just seems to be able to do like all the videos, which is really awesome because you can really see what ads didn't work that well for them. But yeah, this is cool. Both of these tools are great. I would probably say with PowerAdSpy still wins out a bit more in the Kevin David. It seems like this might be like 90 plus, while this might be like 30. So great tools, both of them. Now let's try the Sales Mentor. So the Sales Mentor is also something I've been seeing. They've been killing the info game lately with their ads. So let's see how they're doing. All right, let's see. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. You can see that these ads didn't do that well, right? Like this one only got 2.9K. You can kind of see like the ads that were made for YouTube actually perform way better. So that I think that was like 20 something, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So we got 27 on here. Let's look on here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 11. All right, so we got 11 or so. I'll check in the channel to see if we can find more. Yeah, so PowerAdSpy wins out on here as well. So yeah, basically if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, PowerAdSpy seems to win, but it is expensive. It's $50 a month. VidTao, on the other hand, is completely free, and it gives you the best performing videos. So the videos that have the most views show up on VidTao. PowerAdSpy is just a little bit more comprehensive. So at our agency, we use both. VidTao, personally, I like the UI a bit more, but PowerAdSpy definitely is more comprehensive. So if you're really trying to dig deep in to see what worked, didn't work for another client, we can go in here. Now the cool thing about PowerAdSpy is all the filters. It's really cool how many filters they have in here. You can filter by language, which is really cool. So you can, if we run a Portuguese language offer, so we can basically look for ads in that language. By country, by call to action. I'm not sure what the call to action is here. And then there's like marketing platforms. So you can just look for ads that go to Shopify stores. You can look for ads that go to ClickBank offers, and you can look at ads that go to ClickFunnels landing pages or lead pages landing pages. So if you're looking for info, you can filter by ClickFunnels and get all the best info offers. If you're looking for best e-com offers, you can look at one of these. This is really, really a powerful tool. Now VidTao, as I said, it's fast, it's lightweight, it's got a nice UI, and it's easy to use. But it definitely doesn't have the power of PowerAdSpy, which makes sense because PowerAdSpy is a paid tool. Like VidTao, they're just doing it for free for you guys. So yeah, so my suggestion is get both. If you can afford it, PowerAdSpy. If you're on a budget, VidTao is great as well. And yeah, so that basically makes sense in terms of the comparison between the two. The one thing I like about VidTao is if you click on one of these, you actually have an estimate for ad spend. Now this is obviously based on a certain cost per view, but that's really cool, that where you can kind of estimate how much they're spending on ads. So that's definitely something you can check out, is like basically see how much they're spending on ads. So that's a really cool VidTao feature there. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let me know if you have any other videos you'd like me to make. Just comment below and I'll make those videos for you. Cheers.